As clocks spin backward, the universe starts to contract, and you're hurtling towards the Big Bang. 1 minute in, the stars in your night sky begin disappearing at a rate of thousands per second. Galaxies are collapsing, the Andromeda and Milky Way shrinking from a collision course to retreating dots. Within 30 seconds, the universe loses millions of light years in its visible expanse. By the 1 hour mark, Earth's history rewinds. The pyramids deconstruct at a rate of 2.5 stones per second back into quarries. Mammoths roam free as the ice ages unfreeze, then refreeze in under 10 minutes. Temperatures fluctuate wildly as we hurtle through 4.5 billion years of planetary epochs at breakneck speed. Fossil records erase themselves, layer by layer, with each passing second. A day later, Earth's atmosphere thickens as ancient volcanic eruptions reverse explosively. Oxygen levels fluctuate significantly, suffocating life forms that have just re-emerged. The air, now laden with increased sulfur and methane, becomes a noxious cocktail from prehistory. Sulfuric clouds turn skies a sickly yellow-green, obscuring sunlight and casting an eerie pallor over the land. A month in, the solar system is unmaking itself. Planets spiral inward at speeds reaching 100,000 kilometers per hour. The sun shrinks back into a protostar. Gravitational waves ripple at high frequencies as celestial bodies collide and implode. Human footprints vanish from the moon within milliseconds as orbiting satellites reverse into oblivion, their decaying orbits tracing back in eerie silence. The asteroid belt unwinds, hurling debris inward at lethal velocities. Finally, all existence contracts to a singularity, a universe-sized implosion collapsing into infinite density and heat, at temperatures exceeding 10 to the power of 12 Kelvin. Reality itself dissolves into nothingness, an unimaginably dense singular point, poised for another creation, yet void of it. But here's the twist. According to current physics, time cannot reverse without violating entropy's law. The universe's forward arrow. A return is one we can imagine, not experience.